It's hot. What? It's hot behind this camera, but Edna who? Edna who? Edna who? I'm feeling this bob. Usually, I never get short hair. This is something. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lashanya, or you can call me Mama L. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. And if you're a loyal subscriber, you already know the drill. So today, I am bringing you another hair video. Okay, get into this bob. Like, this is my first time ever really getting short hair. I haven't had short hair since like probably middle school, and I was very nervous. This unit is a 12-inch Brazilian bob from Amazon Donmily Hair. So Amazon Donmily Hair reached out to me to review one of their units. So this is a sponsored video, but I'm gonna tell the truth regardless. I actually do like this hair. It is 12-inch Brazilian bob. As you can see, it is obviously 12 in the front, but as you get close to the back, it is not. So they definitely did cut it into a nice bob. Obviously the back is probably like 8 inches. Yeah, and then front is 12. What do you guys think about this hair? It's different than what I usually ever wear, but I'm into it. I feel like a rich auntie. I will say I expected it to be a little bit thicker, but I feel like it gives you like a natural look anyway. So if you're definitely looking for like a natural, nice bob, this is it. This unit is actually retailed for $89.99 for the Brazilian version straight short bob lace front human hair wig. So yeah, I'm actually gonna put a video of how it looked when it came out the package right here. It came with lashes, which is like the usual standard thing, and it came with also a nice stocking cap, but it wasn't like the regular one. It was actually the lace one, which I love. I don't know why, I feel like it's better, it's breathable. So thank you for that. And the lashes I haven't really worked with yet, but I probably won't because I have my favorites already on right now. But yeah, they reached out to me to do a review for their hair, and honestly, I am enjoying it. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it because usually I don't wear short hair, but your girl is ready. Wait, let me get my shades. Like, what? Who gonna tell me I ain't cute? Who gonna tell you you ain't cute? Get this wig, y'all. Who gonna tell you you ain't cute? That's my new motto on this channel. Nobody, because you feeling yourself. Ain't nobody gonna tell you, and if they do, they lying. Super soft. I didn't get a chance to wash it yet because I kind of want to see what it's gonna look like right out the packet. I will definitely wash it and re-straighten it and let you guys know how that goes in the update. I don't really have any cons about this wig, honestly, because it's like, it's not other wigs where it's long enough to be like, oh well, you know, it's super shiny. Like, it hasn't shedded on me. I expect shedding more from longer wigs. So yeah, it's not shedding. It doesn't smell bad. It's normal. But one thing I will say, for me, because I do like thicker hair, I wish the back was thicker, because if you kind of look, you can kind of see a little bit. I don't know if you can or not, but I'm definitely so. She's like, you can kind of see it's a little bit thin. But if you're going for a natural vibe, this is the wig for you, definitely. But if you want something thicker, yeah. But I know they do also sell this wig in a length of 14. So even if you wanted a little bit more, a little more inches, you know, boot right there too. I like this. I'm into it. Good job, Donmily Hair. So I would give this hair a 9 out of 10, only because I wish it was a little bit thicker. Like I said before, if you're going for a more natural vibe, this is definitely for you. And one thing I also do love, the lace part. It actually goes pretty deep. It ends like right here. So if you want like a deep little Kim K part, boop, you got it. And the frontal's actually a pretty decent size. So if you want to do a side part, you know, other side part or whatever. One thing I did also love, the lace is thin. Y'all know how I feel about that. Laces were thin and bleached. So all I really have to do is put a little foundation on it and just roll with the punches, you know? Looks like it's mine. Who gonna tell me it ain't mine? Who gonna tell me? So if you're looking for a cute bob, take yourself over to Amazon Donmily Hair, okay? They came through for your girl. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I'm going to have an extra day, okay? Wait for these flicks. Wait for them. feeling a little extra over here. What? Okay. Who? Edna who? Edna who?